Hello, hello, crafty friends. I know it has been a while, and I'm sorry about my voice. I thought I was doing well, but there is a high pollen alert today, and my allergies are on fire. But I wanted to stop by, give a little update, and maybe I'll be back. Maybe. It's amazing how things can change in just a couple months. At the beginning of the year, when I stopped doing videos, I was so overwhelmed. Just because I stay home full time, I felt like I could do everything. So I took on a lot of design teams and I was making videos and I was doing blog posts and social media posts and lives and still trying to spend time with my family, and it just got to be too much. Since then, my husband has gone back on the road. He works for BNSF Railroad, and so he's back on the road. So I only see him on the weekends. And my daughter will graduate in just a few weeks, and she is barely ever home because she's a busy, busy bee, which is fine. But I am finding I have a lot of time now by myself. For those that don't know, my craft room does not have doors on it. And so therefore it was always kind of a struggle. I'd have to time the videos just right so that, like family wouldn't be here or they'd have to be quiet, which isn't fair. Anyways, this is kind of a rambling video. So like I said, I'm finding I have more time. I'm finding I kind of miss making videos, which surprised me. But given that I do have so much time, and I also have lightened my load considerably. I have stepped down from all of my design teams except for one, Craft and Kimmy. Sheet load, I did step down, but I'll still be doing those. I still have one more official month as a sheet load team member, but that I'll be using those, but not as a required project or whatever. And so I'm finding that I'm just kind of enjoying life more. I work ahead now, and that way I can spend time with Sam and Annabelle, when they're here. I don't feel like I have to be in my studio. I'm enjoying my creations more, and I don't know, I just feel kind of at peace. Um, Also working on my health. I'm starting to eat better again, drink more water. I was going for walks, but I think I did too much too fast, and so have to slow that down a little bit. But it's all baby steps. It's all a process, right? Um, so, like I said, I'm thinking I'm going to try to come back. It may not be on a regular schedule. It might be sporadic, or maybe it will be. I don't know. I've just been pondering this over for weeks, and I figured, why not jump in? Of course, this month is probably not the best month to jump in. In a couple weeks, my family and I are going to go on a trip to Cincinnati. I've always wanted to go to the Cincinnati Zoo, so that's what we're going to do, along with some other things. So we'll do that. And then that very next weekend, Annabelle graduates. We'll have family here. So, like the last week of May, the last full week of May is very, very crazy for me. So I probably won't have very much up then. But until then, I don't know. I think that we'll just kind of see where it takes me. What you're looking at in front of you, I hope to do like a couple of videos sharing those soon. And I also have an idea for a stencil video. It is May, so it is Mermay, which means all the mermaid things. So far, I've been able to do a mermaid card every day. Don't know that that's going to keep up, but we'll try. And then since tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, I did a week full of taco cards. So I will be back tomorrow to show you all the taco cards and to wish you a happy Cinco de Mayo. By the way, for those of you who are Star Wars fans, may the 4th be with you. And I hope to be back maybe Saturday and share the mermaid cards and creations that I made this week. And like I said, we'll just play it by ear. I thank you so much for sticking around. I know that I don't know. Sometimes I think like I'm an ADHD crafter. Like I do really well for a while and then I get bored or I get burned out and then I don't do so well. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm not going to set up a schedule. I'm not going to promise that I'm going to be here often. But while the urge strikes me, I'll make videos. So I hope to see you back here tomorrow and possibly Saturday and maybe even another one if I get that stencil idea down too. All right. Until then, I hope you have a fabulous day. If you are new to my channel, I'd love for you to subscribe. Like I said, I can't promise a whole bunch of content, but when I do, I hope that you pop in and say hi. Leave me a comment below what's going on with you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Have an amazing day.